Namaskar everyone. Today I Ishita Yadav is going to tell you about how we can conserve water. So here are some ways by which we can conserve water. We can conserve water by rain water harvesting system, which is we can collect rainwater and use it afterwards. And if there is any leakage, we should always fix our faucets and taps. We can also install water saving bathroom accessories. We should always turn off taps when they are not in use, and we should always have a measure of how many buckets of water is used in a day and try to reduce. Untreated or partially treated waste, agricultural chemicals, and industrial effluents are discharged in bodies which pollute water with nitrates, metals, and pesticides. Therefore, it should be controlled by treating these effluents suitably before releasing them in water bodies. In dry regions with high rates of evaporation, drip irrigation is very useful. The canals used for irrigating fields should be properly lined to minimize losses by water seepage. We should also shift to less water intensive methods of agriculture like sprinklers, which effectively irrigate the area by checking water losses through seepage and evaporation. Increasing forest and other vegetation covers to slow the surface runoff and replenish underground water. Do not prolong your bathing. Go for a quick shower rather than wasting buckets of water. Here are some ways to convince people to change the attitude towards conservation of water. You'll never convince anyone to conserve water if you aren't doing it by yourself. So you should first change your practices to conserve water. You can join water saving groups or communities. If you don't want to join groups, you can start one by yourself. Give a reason to people to save water or else they'll ignore you. Encourage people to use water conservation devices and to reduce the use of water. You can engage with schools, hospitals, etc., and you can put signs outside the restrooms to remind people to turn off the taps. Thank you and have a nice day.